Today I am reviewing the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5090 Gaming OC32G graphics card. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5090 Gaming OC32G is a powerhouse graphics card that sets a new standard for PC gaming and content creation. Built on the cutting-edge NVIDIA Blackwell architecture, this card delivers breathtaking performance. Whether you're pushing for the highest frame rates in competitive games or rendering complex 3D scenes and AI workloads. At its core, the RTX 5090 features an immense 32GB of GDDR7 memory on a 512-bit interface, ensuring that even the most demanding applications can be handled with ease and future-proofing your system for years to come. One of the key highlights of this graphics card is its WINDFORCE cooling system, which incorporates multiple fans and optimized airflow technology to keep the GPU running cool under the heaviest workloads. Whether you're in the middle of an intense gaming session or rendering ultra-high-resolution content, the cooling system ensures stable and consistent performance without throttling, all while minimizing noise. The RTX 5090 also supports PCIe 5.0, offering lightning-fast bandwidth and efficient communication with the CPU, which is essential for high-end gaming setups and professional workstations. Coupled with NVIDIA's DLSS 4 technology, this card leverages AI to upscale lower-resolution content in real time, delivering sharper, more detailed visuals without sacrificing performance. This makes it perfect for 4K gaming, VR experiences, and creative applications like video editing and 3D modeling. For gamers, the RTX 5090 Gaming OC32G unlocks ultra settings in the latest AAA titles, giving you smooth frame rates and stunning graphics. Ray tracing comes alive on this card, producing realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows that truly elevate the gaming experience. Content creators and professionals also benefit from its massive memory and compute power, allowing for faster rendering, seamless multitasking, and enhanced productivity. Additionally, GIGABYTE has designed this card with durability and reliability in mind. Premium components and advanced engineering make it a long-lasting addition to any high-performance build. Its OC overclocked edition comes ready to deliver superior performance out of the box, with the potential for further tuning for enthusiasts who want to push their system even further. In short, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5090 Gaming OC32G is not just a graphics card. It's a complete gaming and content creation solution. With its combination of massive memory, cutting-edge architecture, superior cooling, and PCIe 5.0 support, it's designed to handle the most demanding games, creative workloads, and future technologies with ease. For anyone looking to build the ultimate gaming rig or a professional workstation, this GPU represents the pinnacle of performance and innovation.